we dropped in to visit Namibia's very own e-bike factory and workshop located in Katatura, Windhoek.
We started 2015, we started the company, not initially with the idea to become a factory. We imported bikes. We thought we can help the commuter in Windhoek. That was the main aim, to offer more sustainable mobility. And then as we went along, we started realizing there's a big gap in the tourism industry, there's a big gap in conservation, all for using more sustainable alternatives for either patrolling or doing, activities on the ground. So we started going into that market. Then COVID came, everything shut down. We started doing deliveries. So we started offering with e-bikes. We started employing guys actually from the underprivileged areas, giving them jobs, doing more greener deliveries, if you want to call it that. And then during that time, during COVID, we realized there's also a really big problem with supply. So to get stock in from wherever we were ordering our stock from. And we thought, why not start building our own very unique Namibian bicycle? To cater to all these needs, to cater to all these things we were previously doing, but also to open a new market for a Namibian product.
I weld frames using arc welding and gas welding. Actually, we build the cargo bikes and we fix the bikes. Other bikes, they are using aluminum. Well, these cargo bikes is stainless steel, round tubes. We cut them, we bend them ourselves and join them ourselves.
The idea is our bikes are way more robust and durable than the stuff you get off the shelf from China. Plus the recent development in terms of supply chain, currency exchange, also puts a lot of additional costs on importing parts. And another big bonus, obviously, is that we want to create local employment. We want to get the knowledge here. We want to educate people what are e-bikes, why are e-bikes so much more affordable, faster and efficient than, for example, taxis or cars. So, yeah, and we recharge our bicycles with solar. Ideal in Namibia, 360 days a year sunshine. So our form of mobility is totally carbon emission free, environmental friendly, and additional benefits of our e-bikes is also that with the battery, for example, you can use the battery to recharge your cell phone, your laptop. You can even power a small grid.
Well, it's hectic here. So this is basically the main hub for deliveries for e-bikes for Africa, because we also do deliveries in as much as we do rentals and sales. So this is where the riders come to charge their batteries, to easily move or maneuver from CBD to Katatura and back and forth as the deliveries go. So basically what happens is clients contact us via WhatsApp or me, and I have to organize either with any one of those beautiful faces that you guys can see up there, and then they go back and forth with the deliveries, as many as we get, as we do get a lot of requests. Sometimes we have to do like 100 packages in one day. It can be challenging, but with the riders on our side, there's nothing that we cannot accomplish.